Look, Lieutenant, I'd like one favor.
Can't do people favors in a murder case.
Anne can solve the case for you.
Okay, I'll let her work on it tomorrow.
The solution is hidden in the brain, and I can bring it out. Let me take her to Mrs. Randolph's house where she was found. There, her memory can be awakened.
That's enough theories for one night. I'm tired.
Once she starts remembering, there's a good chance I can get her to replace her movements. Tell us where she took the recordings. Tell us Corvo's order given under hypnosis. It can be done, I tell you.
Not by me. I have to do things my own way.
Look, Lieutenant, this is a special case. My wife doctor.
There's nothing special about your wife any more than anybody else that gets mixed up in a murder case.
Yeah, send a pimp out to jump a bad beat. Be on the lookout for that upcoming shit, baby green. Richard quit, dog, my nigga Tino, yeah. All that shit will be out for DJ Tief production. Everybody else down with DJ Tief, we out this bitch.
Motherfucker, my nigga Everclear, the Joker, and Lil Jim finna break down some proper like this. Biatch.
What you do about being Cali high, Cali high? What you do about being Cali high, Cali high? What you do about being Cali high, Cali high? Was trying to get you about being Cali high, Cali high? What you do about being Cali high, Cali high? What you do about being Cali high, Cali high? What you do about being Cali high, Cali high? Trying to get you about being Cali high, Cali high?
Not even a supply of rubber gloves. He cuts his finger while operating.
Hey, in the back with a bitch getting sky high, pretty bright skin and she gangsta. I call her my left eye. Pull up Mercedes 450, baby, let's ride. Nigga try me, he stupid, get chest high. These niggas pussy, they never be outside. How we beefin', ain't never been shot fired. Come from the block, bitch, we stuck like a stop sign. You can't claim the gang if you ain't my kind. No, you not having shit, bitch, nigga, stop lying. Beat his ass with this Drake till he stop trying. No, he remember that cop told him stop crying. Just don't play and you good, stay off my line. I came a long way from hitting licks, ducking one time. Almost died in them streets, not a sunshine. No, in my pockets on full, feel like, baby, this my time. And we stay with them sticks like a drum line. Me and my niggas be out like an umpire. And we strapped, don't get hit with that gunfire. Remember kick though, selling low with a fun time. Me and Hopper been thugging since lunch line. Come from the grove, but they not like my bloodline. If he swing, but I come with a clothesline. Can't fuck with the hoe if she cute, but the whole line. Cut her off if she tell then the whole dime. Throw in the pineapple family, it's go time. We done fuck around and found us a gold mine. Mix the perk with the drink, make me slow down. Nigga reach for this chain, bet it go down. Niggas play gangsta, be ready the whole time. That's why if you ain't gang, can't come around. I got niggas stay solid, that inside doing push-ups, counting down in the fake with a bitch getting sky high, pretty bright skin and she gangsta. I call her my left eye. Pull up Mercedes 450, baby, let's ride. Nigga try me, he stupid, get chest high. These niggas pussy, they never be outside. How we beefin', ain't never been shot fired. Come from the block, bitch, we stuck like a stop sign. You can't claim the gang if you ain't my kind.
seriously, alright? Gentrification, a new prison administration of a black man's struggle. I'm the living interpretation. This is my emancipation. Word to Zulu Nation. Still got chicks waiting, all sick and impatient. Nowadays they all got game, all want fame, they all complain. So all I want is some brain. Until you industry sucker, your girl she has some bomb shit. I stuck her, you don't like it, so I guess we got conflict. Catch me shooting dice in a dark alley, rocking Clarks and Valleys. Lot of niggas asking me, how did I spark Cali? Cats on my block, they stay wildin', stay getting thrown on the island and cellular phone dollar. Niggas walking around with gold teeth and old beef. It's no wonder why niggas' lives are so brief. Lot of cats trying extortion, lying and coffin. Got their moms thinking about them crying and coughing. The conflict, souls at war, forces at war, countries at war. That's why that nigga dumping the four, pumping the raw, dumping the law. I get a superstar with fly cars, now he slump by the door, life gone. And now he lost another icon. Should he have squashed the beef and let the bygones be bygones? Can't be weak in these streets, gotta stay on some strong shit. A lot of niggas wanna rep, that's why there's conflict. When I splash on these tracks like belly flops, it belly stops. I knocks niggas out of the box like skelly tops. Niggas know, spitting this fire is the status quo, the baddest flow. I do it for free, but I'm glad it's dope. My flows melt the wax like candy. Can you handle when I shoot you in your foot, turn your Timberlands into sandals? And that's word, the boy has sick and my niggas strict. You sick if you think you want in this conflict, nigga.